If you want to get seriously strong, then you need to understand program periodization. This is where we put all the different components together of a good workout into something that represents blocks of training so that you make sure that you never plateau and you're constantly getting stronger.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Last week, we introduced a bunch of principles to you like supercompensation, progressive overload, functional overreaching, to name just a few. If you haven't seen those videos, check them out. This is video 6 out of a 10 video series. Today, we're going to talk about how we bring those principles together into program periodization. So program periodization is where you change any or all of a bunch of different variables in order to never plateau in your training. So how do we do it? Well, at Unity Gym and in the UMS, we do 4-week program blocks. Now, each week is what we call a microcycle. Each mesocycle consists of 4 microcycles, and then a macrocycle consists of several mesocycles. Now, there's many, many different ways to periodize your programming, but this is a really nice spot for most people. A 4-week program block is a really good time to have the opportunity to learn the movements, adapt to them, meaning become stronger, fitter, more flexible, and then change to something new before you plateau. Hey there, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and co-creators of the UMS, the Unified Movement System, where we make driven people strong, flexible and fit with 1-hour daily workouts. If you want to know how we do it, there's 3 options for you below. You can grab one of our free blueprints, the Strength Blueprint, Flexibility Blueprint, Nutrition Blueprint, or the At-Home Workout Blueprint. And that'll give you some really amazing insights into the way that we program and the philosophies that we use at Unity Gym. If you want to grab one of our programs, click the link, visit our library. You can get flexibility programs, strength programs, calisthenics programs, skills programs. There's a lot of different stuff, rehab programs as well. And hey, if you're ready to get serious about your coaching and work with me and my team directly, you can join our Unified Movement System online coaching program. There's a link there in the description for a free trial, plus a sweet deal if you decide to stay on with us after the trial. Hope to see you soon. So, we have a really amazing system for getting this right, and it's something that if you understand, you're going to see some really amazing results. But what I want you to understand is that there's a couple of principles that you really need to use in your programming to periodize correctly. So number one of them is the intensity. How heavy are you lifting? Another one is the volume. How much are you lifting? How many sets? How many reps? Another one is exercise selection. Another one is so basically just which exercise are you doing. Another one is the complexity of the exercise. Another one is the tempo of the exercise. Then you can even bring things in like overload parameters as well. Things like drop sets, supersets, trisets, 21s, 1-5 method. There's so many different things. I think where a lot of people go wrong is that they try to manipulate too many things at once. Good programming, you don't change too many things, or the changes are subtle from mesocycle to mesocycle. But over time, when you look at one mesocycle from 6 cycles ago to what you're doing now, there will have been a lot that's changed. Now, the more advanced you get, the more variability you need in your periodization, whereas people that are more at the beginner level of their training, you need less variability, so less change from program phase to program phase. So there's a lot to consider, and this is one of the big reasons why it's important to work with a good coach that can periodize your training and make sure that you never plateau in your quest for getting seriously strong. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.